Hi guys, this is Kenyatta Daniel from Tact, and in today's video tutorial I'm going to demonstrate how you can download your bank transactions from your personal web account. Okay, so oftentimes we will need to request your bank transactions to do accounting work for you. So in order to get those, you can log into your personal web account. So I'm logged into mine, and first you need to decide which account you want to download transactions for. So I'm going to choose this first account. Okay, so once you click on it, you get an overview of the account and the most recent transactions. Now, let's say that we wanted to get the bank transactions for this account for the entire year of 2021. What we will do is we will first go to Show Filters, and we will select the date range. So our start date, if we click here, we'll choose the month January, and then the year 2021, and then we will choose the first day of the month. Okay, so this is the 1st of January 2021, and then our end date will be December 2021, and then the last day of the year. Okay, so we have from the start to the end of 2021, and we will leave this as is, and we will apply filters. Okay, as you can see here at the bottom, if I scroll down for this account, these are all the transactions for 2021. Okay, so what we can then do is to download the transactions. So typically we will ask you for the transactions in the OFX file format. Okay, this option here. Okay, you can see there are other formats, DIF, CSV, PDF. But for this, we will ask, in this example, we'll ask for the OFX one. So we just select the option here. You can see that a file was downloaded. It's going to be downloaded to your downloads folder. And yeah, if you try to open it, probably it won't open on your computer, but this is a file format used by financial institutions. Okay, so once you have downloaded the file, you can then just create an email, attach the file to the email, and send it to us. And then we would receive, in this case, the bank transactions for 2021 for this account. Okay, hope you found this useful, and we'll speak to you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.